Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. We're going on with the droid R2-D2. Well, the R2-D2, and we're starting with stage 19, so let's get straight into that because I want to show you the magazine first. Then build goes on. We already showed you a bit of this magazine in the previous days, but you didn't. You won't see it because I'm cutting it out, editing it out. And this is the first stage, and we'll not be doing a lot, but we'll be going through this very fast. So these are the parts that we have, and let's see if this is all good. And let's see how. On the top side, that and that is all we do, and we've got those sides in that you see right there. So let's put that away and go straight to 20 and show you who was in R2-D2. As you can see right there, R2-D2 stage number 20. The gentleman that was in the R2-D2 and moving it about. Unbelievable. Can't be very nice to sit in there. What's the gentleman's name? Kenny Baker. He was in there. Wowzers. Whoosh. EV series. Case study of EV-A4D. Developing robot mobility. We all know that the Japanese are very far in that and very good in it. And this is what we do in the first stage. We're just putting a panel in. And the next stage, number 20. And the sensor and stuff we'll be keeping for later. So this is what we get. But this is the only one thing we're using. So I'm putting that aside in there. We're getting the head out. And let's see on which side we are going. We're going on with that side, making sure that these two connect, and we get some nuts and bolts out, and two of those screws, and we'll be needing some more screws in a moment. Nut in there, as you can see on the top camera, thumb on it, and we've got another panel in there. And we'll probably be connecting those two. So this is the panel we just put in, that one. So that is stage 20 done, and we're going straight to 21. Let's show you the magazine again. Stage 21, and that is the gentleman that was in C3PO. And what is the gentleman's name? Anthony Daniels was in C3PO. Yep, Anthony Daniels was in C3PO. Can't imagine that would be easy walking. Now you can see them together right there. Can't imagine that was a very easy thing to do. Nano robotics for health kind of things and for other kind of things. The Black Hornet is a mini drone like this, are already used in the British military for military surveillance. Look at that, that is tiny. I think we need those parts, so we'll be using that as well. At least it seems to be shown. We need that one. So let's put that to the side and leave that there for a moment. We need it the other way around. Easiest thing to do, make sure, is that you see the numbers from the top. And we do need some black, I think. 2 silver screws. We'll find those later. Let's put those this on first. So as you see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points to put some screws in, which we will be doing right now. There we go, that's that. Let's get that out. 2 silver screws. I think those are the thicker of the two. And that's number 21 done as well. So let's put all these parts. Have I? Because they asked me to take that out. I was a little bit quick. I took it out especially, but I never looked at whether or not it is supposed to be on it until I just find out, shoot, I forgot something. Like so. Let's have a look at stage 22, issue 22. Riverboat Gambler. Billy D. Williams. Lando. Not Norris, but just Lando. Can't remember if he had a second name or not. Logic function display we are making and testing, as you can see right there. That's why I brought that out in stage 22. As you can see, 4 I think is it. Alright, so we put that away. We take that little thing off. Make sure that you put it on with the pins on in the right position, because there are holes there and pins on this side. And right here you see that again, 2 of those holes and 1 there, so you know what the orientation is, or should be, right there. Then we put 4 screws in. That's the black self-threading. Alright, so we take that little thing out from the other Let's display that we have, and then on which button do we press that one? Have a look at that. That looks really nice, and if you press the other button it's hardly visible, but you need to press the correct button. And that is what we have in stage 22, which is now done as well. And we're putting that away because we're going to the last stage, which is 23, issue 23. Self-driving cars, and this is what we do. And that's, again, we only do one little thing, and we're putting it on that side. So we take that from the stand and put that one on, and let's see where we go. We're going right there, right next to the last one, like so. And you remember it all. 2 nuts, 2 screws, and we're done. And that is the one we just put in, and that is the last stage in this video. Thank you very much for joining me again. As you can see, that thing is going pretty darn far. You can't see it. As you can see, that head is going pretty quickly, as you can see right in front of me. I hope that we will be doing a lot more. I've got one more pack on this R2D2 build, which I will be doing. I don't know, I might be doing today, I don't know. But please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time, and watch those videos that I make, please, and get me some views out there, and some thumbs ups, please. Thank you very much again. See you next time. Bye bye.